Hello student, once again welcome to my YouTube channel Navodaya Academy. We are Navodaya Kalam Se Kranti. In today's video we are going to discuss about question number 1 from the chapter motion of class 9. First let us understand the question. In this question we have given that an athlete is running around a circular track whose radius is 200 meter and we have to ask to calculate the distance and the displacement at the end of 2 minutes 20 seconds. The first thing which we have to understand here is that what is the meaning of distance and the displacement, what is the basic difference between distance and displacement. So the actual path length of a track is considered as distance and the shortest distance between the initial and final point is considered as displacement. So we have asked to calculate what is the distance and the displacement of the athlete at the end of 2 minutes 20 seconds. So first thing which we have to do here is that to calculate the radius of the circle and then convert the given time interval into the second, because second is the SI unit of time. So we have given that diameter of the circle is 200 meter, so its radius will become half of the 200, that is 100 meter. Total time interval is 2 minutes and 20 seconds, and we know that 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. So when we change this time interval into the second, it will come around 140 seconds. Now for calculating distance and displacement, we have to take any one point as a starting point. So let us consider that this point is our starting point, and now to calculate displacement we have to find the final point. So we will see that how many rounds will be completed at the end of 140 seconds. It is given in our question that one round is completed in 40 seconds. So one round is completed in 40 seconds, so two rounds will be completed in 80 seconds. In this manner of way, three rounds will be completed in 120 seconds. Now total time interval is 140 seconds. Here we are getting 120 seconds. That means the difference between 140 and 120 will be 20 seconds. So if one round is completed in 40 seconds, so from here we can say that half round will be completed in 20 seconds. Hence in 140 seconds total 3 minutes 1 by 2 rounds will be completed. So if we convert this into improper fraction, then we are getting 7 by 2 rounds. So see here, if athlete start from this point and running around this circular track, after one round he will reach at this point, after second round he will reach at this point only, after third round he will reach at this point only. But we have to move 3 minutes 1 by 2 rounds, so if you move half round again, then we will reach at this point. So our initial point is this one and the final point is that one. So we have asked to calculate the displacement in these 2 points, and the shortest path between these 2 points is along the diameter. So we can say that the displacement of the person is 200 meter, which is equal to the diameter of the given circular track. Now we have to calculate distance also at the end of this much time. So see here, the track is circular, so in one round that person complete the distance which is equal to 2 pi r, that is radius of, that is circumference of the circle. यदि वह एक राउंड में, if in one round that person is completed 2 pi r distance, then in 7 by 2 rounds में वह कितना डिस्टेंस कवर करेगा, 7 by 2 into 2 pi r. एक राउंड में इतना कर रहा है, इतना राउंड का निकालने के लिए 7 by 2 से ऑब्वियसली मल्टीप्लाई कर देंगे, तो ये 2 से 2 कैंसिल हो गया, बचा 7. पाई की वैल्यू कितनी होती है 22/7. आर की वैल्यू कितनी आई है आपकी, आर की वैल्यू आपकी 100 आई थी, 100. 7 से 7 कैंसिल हो गया. सी की वैल्यू कितनी आई आपकी 2200 मीटर. दैट मीन डिस्टेंस कितना हो गया आपका, डिस्टेंस कितना हो गया आपका 2200 मीटर. ठीक है. यदि आप वीडियो की इस सेक्शन तक आ चुके हैं, अर्थात आपको मेरा वीडियो अच्छा लगा है, ठीक है, इसलिए आप हमारे चैनल को लाइक शेयर और सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलें, क्योंकि आपका सब्सक्रिप्शन ही हमारा मोटिवेशन है और यही चीज़ हमें अन्य विद्यार्थियों तक पहुंचने में हेल्प करेगी. थैंक यू.